Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please give this video a thumbs up to help the channel grow. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. Awake and Aware. By Angel V. ORNEDO Jr. September 27, 2022, 8:49 p.m. Media, television, and internet blogs popularized words they call awakening, or awake and aware, associated from being asleep, forgetting at the spiritual world which humans can't understand. Teachers ask little children at kindergarten to sleep if they are so unruly, while parents ask children to go to sleep and awake at 5 or 6 in the morning to prepare for school. The old paradigm of awake, what we did as parents. Awakening came for me from Sananda A. Sujim Manual, in an awake or trance state decades ago that changed my whole life, at which happening I dropped forgetting or the unconscious self and replaced by being fully aware and focused. Perceptions from stressful conditions suddenly changed to joy and peace in things I pursue or do, allowing me to slow down, making life joyful, easy, and never the hard work taught by antiquity, ancestors, media, and false gurus. To other acquaintances, I became weirdo, specifically to priests, religious but consulted by businessmen on different aspects of business and life as they are turned billionaires in the process. A life of aware, awakened, and myself content with bread for my family. Aware and awakening. Awakening is instant change if the event struck you deep in your heart-mind, providing access to wisdom and knowledge as membranes blocking DNAs and mind are erased, melted away. Light workers' way showers are subjected to forgetting but easily influenced by light energies overflowing their being to awaken. Complete awakening means you learn the teachings of Creator God, the 18 laws, not 10, as falsely preached. I cite 5 of them. 1. You shall have no other gods than the God Creator before you, and abide with the laws of creation, which encompasses all. The law of 1, 7. You must not murder your fellow man. 13. Reap what you sow. 16. Do unto others what you like others do unto you. The 18th law is desecrated by humans who enslaved other humans. This is where people err. 18. You must not commit the act of slavery upon any human being of God. Finally, we must realize that God and the celestial sons of the angelic kingdom are birthed under creation, all that is. Ascended masters practice to perfection as incarnates live within the 18 laws of God as Ascended Master Sananda, one with God did, our model of progression to the higher lighted realm. How aware or awake you are as evolving souls are for everyone to see, as their energies overflow and shared with the planet and inhabitants, and their presence are known as they move and communicate. Consciousness must be the secret, as it is either you are unconscious or aware of your own experiences. Practically, this means that human ignorance and lack of wisdom for the last million years caused our downfall and led to slavery under Satan and minions. The truth is, volunteers are here on purpose to raise the consciousness of the planet to a higher frequency with the riders, human beings, as Mother Earth shift and transfer to a higher plane. Majority of asleep humans are not ready for the shift to higher frequency, as they are either accustomed to the 3D world they call comfort, or enslaved to economics of wealth gathering, physical, money, treasure accumulation, and using activities of men. The choice of physical flesh for experience on Earth, class, and family to reside is a sole decision before they incarnate on any planet of their choice, where volunteer agreed with etheric beings and Creator God on terms of reliving incarnate on a planet of choice. Great awakening is here now. Wisdom and knowledge are provided by Creator God to aware humans. The flock of Sananda's continuing prayers, acts, and intentions reached Source, who uncreated evil Nibirians, reptilians, and Satan in our midst. Horrible darkness that engulfed the planet for more than 1 million years are gone, uncreated, dissolved by Creator God after hearing the prayers and intentions of the flock for assistance. However, the minions, humans, and clones of the dark are still holding on, despite the light energies flowing from the great central sun, from portals through our sun, and from the light energies of the etheric beings and Source. On a positive note, we know light will prevail against darkness, thus balance favors light. See a speck of light in total darkness, penetrating, and darkness flees. Light provides a glimmer of hope to darkness, and the start of a potential major awakening is in the offing. The old years of darkness are fading and the new light, a golden age, is flowing through all of Earth and humanity. The continuing flow of light energies from the great central sun at the middle of our galaxy, which are all part of the overflow of energies from the white light of Creator God and Creator's etheric guides, are God's ways to awaken majority of humanity and Earth. Feel the heat, light, and major upheavals at our planet. A deeper meaning of awakening. Knowing the laws of creation, which is primordial, achieve the wisdom of knowledge, inasmuch as this will enable you to wisely follow the laws of creation. Sananda. Awakening a human being means allowing us to go deep within ourselves as we breathe. Inhale the act of creation and exhale for expansion of creation the universe as we allow light energies flow onto our wholeness, creating a feeling of calm, peace, harmony, centered at our hearts and mind. Allow the flow of light to fill our hearts and let it overflow to Mother Earth chakra shared with humanity. This utilization of our hearts as the central focal point of our being makes us glimmer, radiant, grants us full access to wisdom and knowledge through heart and mind where light energies erased blocking membranes. Awakening means our nature and structure change, as access to the brain of wisdom and knowledge from heart mingles merge humanity's body, soul, Holy Spirit with divinity. This recognition allows us to think, reason appropriately without the control of evil and darkness, no longer manipulated as light strikes evil scampering to inner darkness of space and planet. Great Holy Spirit Soul now act as your life's director as consciousness and abundance flow to your being. Awakening, focused, conscious or knowing your whole being is a universe of 3 to 4.5+ trillion cells, beings that perform each type of work assigned to a group of cells which you may call a heart, kidney, bladder, skin. In a body of different systems like endocrine system, pineal, hypothalamus, pituitary, ovaries, testes. Made flesh by Creator God with a young or an old soul within to assist Creator find more experience through human bodies. Know that the pineal gland connects you to God within. Your universe of forgetting, duality thence aware, knowing who you are, fragment of Creator God is all within you. Simplicity is God creation all that is, in His omnipotence, omnipresent and omniscience is continuously expanding through you, the experiences that you contribute to a changing, expanding multiverse, knowing Creator God and is a part of creation, source. Knowing that you, Sananda, and trillion beings in the universe are creations of Creator God where Sananda, son of Archangel Gabriel attained perfection, one with God. Awareness makes you realize that righteous upright values suddenly surge above, change dropping the feeling of elation from praises and recognition as ego starts to be filtered out of control now following the whims of the heart which is unconditional love to merger of divinity, mind body and soul to gain access to innate wisdom and knowledge. Knowing dissolves the period of stagnation, blocked through DNA and control of dark media, manipulation and brainwashes of the elite controllers of men. At awakening the laws of Creator God, A. The highest command of the law of creation is, achieve the wisdom of knowledge inasmuch as this will enable you to wisely follow the laws of the creation. B. The highest command of the law of God is, you shall honor God as the ruler of the human races and follow His laws for He is the King of wisdom. Creator God, Phoenix Journal. Knowing and realizing who you really are, powerful human beings guided by Creator and heavenly hosts accelerates your journey to oneness. Thence say love and gratitude to Creator God. Humans of the 21st century are so lucky Creator God heard the prayers of the flock of Sananda bring forward great awakening of bulk of humanity, released from the horrible experiences they have at Planet of Tears, Earthshan. God's guides and messengers are around and will assist relocate prepared humans to other Earth planets or etheric beings light ships. Humans can return to Earth after the planet's restoration to light, love, and pristine form in several thousand years. Make your morning and evening prayers count by giving gratitude, love and joy to Creator God. Wisdom and knowledge are your treasures at the higher lighted realms, never the gold you built on earth. Forgive dark past your experiences of tears and sufferings. Unconditional love, forgiveness and acceptance are the key to heaven. Our journey to unity consciousness to oneness with Source, creation is at our reach. Love and light, Angel V. ORNEDO Jr. NB. Please read the Phoenix Journal 27 and learn the laws before it is too late. All words above written are passing through me from intuition, from Source, Creator God and etheric guides shared to prepare humanity transfer to a higher plane. Reading crystallize ideas but some are from the minions of evil persecuting light workers continuously. Sow the seeds of truth and wisdom on fertile soil where they can be germinated and grow, for only germinated seed and sturdy plants will bring forth great fruit. Sananda.